Today I'm going to create content for Independence Day. So today is Thursday before the 1st of October. So yeah, I'm going to go create content for it. That's when I'm going to upload video in this my channel. So you guys should pardon my unseriousness, but I had a lot on my table. So yeah, I'll create content for Independence Day. So I have this shoot coming up. So yeah, you guys should stay tuned and don't expect too much, but expect something. So yeah, stay tuned. So the concept for this shoot, I don't know. I feel like I've used too much of English wears and already made dresses. There's so much noise. So the concept will be Ankara and native dress, native outfit. So yeah, but it's going to be in Nigerian color. So yeah, that's going to. This video is so impromptu. So I decided to just like use this time to make content for the youth for my channel. So yeah.
Two hours later.
You can't read that day. If you don't marry more, I come meet my friend. Oh, well, I'm bossa. If you don't marry more, I'll get in a job.
So we are in our location right now with our makeup artist and stylist. So yeah, period. How do I look? I look cute. I look cute. So yeah, you guys should expect some beautiful things.
Again.
So now we are done with this shoot and we're about to go home. My look is so beautiful. It just means like I should not clean it.
No wash am.
I'll just lie down with it. Bye. You guys should go and watch our video and do the next one. So we're done with our video.
Like, comment, share.
like, comment, share, subscribe, do anything you want to do with the channel so that I will blow. I'll be going to abroad anyhow. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye. What are you saying? So you guys, see you later. Bye bye.